welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor and today's video is a haul video. This one is a Cloud Factory haul, and in this video I am only going to show you the clothing part, and this time I have ordered only clothes because many of you keep asking me to do clothing haul, so I thought let's just do only clothing haul so you guys can have an idea that how are the clothes from Cloud Factory. Now the second and the most important reason of me doing this video right now is that sale is coming up in Cloud Factory. So the dates are 20 to 24th of September, and in this sale you will get a free gift on every purchase, plus obviously it's sale, so prices are going to be like 90% down, so you will be receiving the product in like only 10% of the price, which is just great. So yes, I am all set to shop from 20 to 24th of September because sale is coming. We girls love sale word, yeah. So yes, I am full set for that, and that's the reason I am doing this video, because I wanted to tell all of you that if you want to shop from Cloud Factory, this is the right time. So, and let's just start with today's haul. So in today's haul I'll be showing you all the clothes which I bought, and in the end I have created a lookbook for you. So in the end I'll be putting all the pictures or whatever the lookbook I've created, so I'll be putting that in the end. And let's just start. So the first product is this is a jacket, open jacket. This does not have a zip or a hooks or buttons kind of a thing. It's a brown, it has brown fur here, and yes, material and everything is really nice. I quite like it, and it's very nice. I like it. The fitting and everything is quite fit for me. The size which I ordered is medium, because last time I had ordered small for my jeans and that didn't fit me, so I thought let me just increase the size, like let me just come from small to medium. So yes, medium is just perfect for me, and yes, it's really nice. Price for this one is 720 rupees. The next one is this orange jacket, half sleeves jacket, and it's a winter jacket, and it's really nice. The inside of this jacket is really nice. It's this brown thing and it's really soft, and this jacket has a hood which you guys can see. And yeah, this one is again medium, and this one is a bit loose for me I guess, but this one is for winter, so I think I'm going to wear some like full sleeves or some warmer or something like that, so then this is going to be like fit for me. So this one is a good product. Price for this one is 520 rupees I guess, 570, 520 rupees. The next one is this shirt or a top, whatever you call it, and it's nice. This one is only for 160 rupees, and this has one problem which I think is this one is like bit transparent for me, so I have to wear a spaghetti or a tube top under this, and that's it. Otherwise this shirt or a top, whatever you say, it's just perfect and I like it. Price is 160. The next is this leggings. Okay, this one I really wanted to buy this, like wear this, and I was waiting for it only for this, like especially for this, because this has this cut here. Can you guys see? So this has this cut all over the leggings, so yes, I really wanted to wear this. And the bad news is this legging didn't fit me. I'm big for this, and this one is small for me. I don't know why. This has only one size, and this like free size, one size, whatever you say. So I have ordered it. I thought it will be like stretchable. It's stretchable, but like it has like a limit, like it's not going beyond this, so this is not fitting me. So I think I will return this for sure, because this is not fitting me. The price for this one is 233 rupees. The next one is this skirt. This one is the favorite. Okay, so this one is stretchable, so you can like, this will fit on any waist. That's the best thing. And it's black. It has like many colors, but I have ordered black because this is my second time when I'm ordering the clothes from Cloud Factory, so even I was not that sure from about the clothes. So yes, I just thought let me just order the black one because black is the safest color. Does not matter what is the style, what is the like the fabric, the black color looks amazing on every style, every fabric. It's just wow. So this one is this has these little pleats or whatever you say in this skirt, and the skirt is really comfortable. It's really a nice skirt. I just love this one, and it's really sasta, I guess. It's only for 147 rupees, 150 rupees, that's it I guess, or 190, I don't know. It's under 200, that I know, that I remember. So this one is really cheap. I'll be putting all the detail links and everything in the description box, so you guys can check that. So that's all which I bought this time, and yes, I have created a lookbook which I have told you, so I'll be attaching the lookbook in the end. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected and bye bye.